That's the #1 requirement to live here. You got to be nice to the neighbor on your right-hand side and bring her cookies. We made a commitment. We said we're bringing cookies. So we're bringing cookies. Most important thing, always do what you say. I told her I'd bring her cookies. And there's more where that came from. Hey, listen, you got 1.2 million views. You know? When you go like this.
Oh, it's cause
Oh yeah, te going like.
yeah.
Okay, so shower there, and we're thinking like soapbox, grande,
Okay.
something like that. Just like this, you custom build, you know?
Yeah.
We're budget conscious, so we're not breaking the budget on anything, okay? So we're watching pequeña dinero por todo.
Don't worry, guys. This is not staying here. He's actually gonna put the right. This was just there before because we extended the bathroom this way and took some space out of the closet. So this sheetrock is actually coming down.
All right, so we'll just do a double vanity here, carry it all the way. Like this is gonna be your shower, right? So we might wanna build a small wall so that we can put the standard 5-inch or the standard 5-foot door. So whatever you need to build to do that, because I know if you don't, it's gonna be really expensive, right? So we want the standard. Is this 5 feet right here?
No, 6.
This is 6, so you're gonna need to build a foot wall on this side or that side. I don't think it matters which side, to be honest
Yeah,
with
it's
you.
about 6.
We're gonna need to build it a foot out, otherwise custom order, right? We're gonna spend $500-600 bucks on it versus we might spend $2,000 if we get the custom order, right? Double vanity here, and here's what we can do. We can buy the Home Depot vanities, the cheap ones with the cultured maple top, and then we put in the middle, we make like a towel rack, crisscross, we connect them, and then we just paint them all, and we put the granite on top. So it saves you a bunch of money because we're using the $149 one with the top on it, and maybe we even return the top for credit, I don't know.
Cost effective.
Yeah, not cheap, cost effective. Because if you buy a regular vanity this size, how much is it gonna cost?
Like 400.
600, okay. With double vanity? Double sink? So whichever way is the most cost effective way, we wanna do a double vanity. And it would be good to have this to be a little bit of a sitting area right here, because we're gonna wanna put a big mirror here, big mirror here. We'll go to Home Goods to get that stuff, okay?
So the shower that gonna the seat too?
Oh,
Yes.
you want a bench in the shower.
Put it on this side, right where the wall is.
Okay.
Yeah, build the wall and build the thing. So make it on this side. I think it'll look better on this side.
Sure with a bench? Because if we throw the bench, it's gonna throw the shower. Remember his and hers?
Right, so
Or we can always just do just one shower.
I don't think you need a bench.
Huh? I'll never sit down either.
Yeah, we have one in the other one. Yeah,
you use it?
I never, no. Yeah, we're good without a bench, dude. No bench.
He said 4 can lights. Cuatro can lights.
Cuatro, un ceiling fan.
Okay.
¿Cómo se dice ceiling fan?
Abanico. Abanico.
Abanico.
Abanico.
Abanico.
Abanico.
Close.
Abanico. Abanico. I got it now?
Yeah.
Okay. I would say replace these with can lights as well. Just replace with ceiling fans, which you and I will find, and we're gonna use matte black. That's gonna be our trim out color. This will be a double vanity in here. You could do the same thing on this one if you want. Build it out, same style. And we need to replace the tub.
El tub lo van a sacar. And to get it reglazed is about $200. New tub, about 400 bucks. So should we show them the tile?
Sure.
I forgot, what was this for?
All right, I'll show you. So here, check it out. This is here for the backsplash. So it's, how do you say either or?
Cualquiera.
Cualquiera, okay? Probably this.
Probably backsplash.
It's cheap, only $4 per sheet. So we maybe go that way, it's easier. And
That one, the white one is like 50 cents.
but this I think more people like. This is for,
Para el laundry room y el baño.
see, okay? It's the pattern, you have to match it. So that's that, they go all the way in there. This goes here, the whole way.
The whole restaurant and the wall too.
No,
Oh, okay.
The walls.
no, wall, this. So he'll show you right now. Oops.
You want it like this?
See,
Here. And then esta.
like this though,
In the middle.
brick, no, straight,
no.
straight.
Como ladrillos.
No, I know. It's brick.
Yeah,
And then this one in the middle.
see,
Do we want a soapbox in here also?
Sí.
Entonces, adentro del soapbox, this.
see. So really, you don't need to worry about that necessarily on the shower. You just have it run down into the soapbox here. Just have him run it down all the way down here into the soapbox. That's it. And this is the tile for both bathroom
You
walls.
wanna have brick.
See, brick. So that's that one.
Oh, sorry.
Same thing.
Brick.
See, same thing, except for this one is gonna be for this side.
I can put this one on the floor. I don't recommend.
No, yeah, I know. That's what, no floor.
No.
The floor, he has the floor. Solid walls? Yeah, I know, no for floor.
No, I know.
Yeah, we're not putting it. You see, we show you right now. So this, and you can put this, esta. There's two ways to do it. You could run it like this to the soapbox.
Okay.
If you can do it that way, that would look perfecto.
Yeah.
So the other floor goes in here. It's just simple. This is inexpensive. It's like $4, and I think it's better because we were gonna go 45. Remember? This will look better and it's cheaper and easier to put in.
Para el baño
Sí.
is shower.
See, so like,
Shower.
Yeah.
so like from here all the way, if you need to use subway or whatever for the bump for the pan, whatever, but this for the whole floor in here. Oh, the other thing on the tile, you're laying it this way, brick laid.
No, yeah, the lane is going like this.
So
See,
But on brick.
brick, yeah.
Brick.
Yep. From here, tile. He'll carry that out all the way to here.
Yeah.
Yep.
All the way to that, no?
Yeah, see,
Yeah.
the whole thing, everything. Oh, one more thing, we're adding a closet in here. Either this side or that side, just small. We could say this is a bedroom because we have a closet. So just a small closet, whatever you need to put, the smallest one you need to put. I think you have to do it here or in that corner right there. I think it's better to put it in that corner if you can,
Yeah,
because
but can we close this door a little bit?
have them open out. Yeah, so bring it out, put the closet on that side. All right, so he just put this door in.
Oh, damn, I didn't even notice it.
We're gonna keep this thing there. What do you suggest on the roof for here? Does he have any good suggestions for what to put here?
¿Qué piensas? Aquí. Yeah, the porch.
little fire.
So covered porch.
I'll go and put it down like 2 foot up to here.
And you're gonna slant it and you're gonna shingle it.
Yeah.
You're gonna shingle it then. Okay. And we're gonna need a different tile out here to go on top of this. So we'll do that at the end. Or we could use the same floor tile if you want from the outside. Joel, we could use the same stuff that we used in here.
Okay.
If you wanted to hit it off the spot, 45 this and you know that's gonna look amazing. If we 45 it,
Yeah.
I think out here, we could really make that work. We're gonna really do well on this house if we do it like that. Jose, we're gonna do a lot of work out here, and you're the guy we wanna work with. I was a little bit mad about the cabinets. I told him a few times, but your work is fantastic. So I get over things really quick, and you're proven to be a really honest, solid dude, and we wanna buy lots more houses. Can you build anything?
Yes.
All right, Jose, just to kind of summarize out here, we're gonna do a fence there. Just make sure there's a gate that locks on that side. I'm good, man. Everything else we're happy with it. You're working good. When he told me you were at drywall 2 weeks ago and everything was done and he showed me pictures, I said, he's gonna be painting by the end of next week. Well, now we're gone. So you have nothing you're waiting for us for again, right?
No, I'm not.
The window is the only thing that we're changing, really.
Yeah.
Just delete it and we put double vanity and that's it.
Perfect.
So I see you, the next time I see you,
Almost done.
we done when I coming back.
Maybe you don't see me again. So maybe you can.
And he said the only thing that you probably have to build is the box for the refrigerator.
But we're not even gonna put the refrigerator in. We're just gonna build the space for the water, for the electric, and that's it. Yeah, if you need to do something right here for the cabinet, that's fine. I honestly don't even think that we even need to worry about that piece, because I've never have.
The box?
Yeah.
For the refrigerator?
Yeah, just put cabinets above it and just make sure there's a little bit of room right here so they're not gonna see it. I just put a spot for the refrigerator. As long as they're not gonna see it from this side, we're good. If they ask us to build them a pantry, the answer is C, right? But why go and make that decision for them?
He did bring the samples for his carpet. I don't know.
Yeah, perfect. I use that all the time. So I do like this one, and I do like, this is probably a good safe choice right here.
I don't know. I like the black with the black in it because
It's your call, bro.
I like the black.
All right, that's what we're going with. Necesito nice pad.
El padding?
1 inch.
Yeah, whatever the best pad is,
Lo
not
más-
not the sleepy whatever the one they go and call it, but not the cheapest, the 2 up or whatever, the one that make it like oh, you know what I'm talking about? Yeah. Okay, and we're gonna paint.
Reason I think he was thinking about keeping this is just
It hides some stuff?
It just hide the brick.
That's okay. We can
Like-
keep it, dude. It's not a deal breaker to keep them.
Okay.
If it's gonna make it better for you, we can keep them.
No, that's up to you.
Okay, so I would say not keep them then.
Okay.
This will be painted black. We keep this. The house is gonna be painted white. He has all the colors, and that's it. And then after we yank these things out, we're gonna put a nice.
I'm not removed to the one done every
Yeah.
Yeah. No, I said. He goes. He tell me why. I said that's the right reason. You always leave the biggest tree, the biggest bush in front of your house until you're gone.
Yeah.
All right, so you got to come over here, Jose, man. You're part of the deal. You're part of the dude. You're the 1.23 million guy, dude. Like, I got more views with you guys
I
than
thought it was me.
both of you guys combined. So to wrap things up, Jose's been kicking ass. We slowed him down. You never ever want to slow down your contractor, especially if he wants to work and do a good job. We've got him every single decision that you need to make, right? Joel's going to handle the thing to the inside. It's done, and then you're going to phone me up, and we're going to put this thing on the market.
Correct.
Are we going to hire an agent?
We're going to try not to. We're going to try to list ourselves.
List ourselves with an MLS, because unless the agent really wants to discount their work for us, then they're probably not going to get our business, unless they bring us a buyer ahead of time. All right, so to recap the day, we went and looked at a couple flips. We're not buying any of them. We didn't find any good deals out there. We went and came back to the house here, met with several realtors who we interviewed, with possibly selecting one of them, even though we're leaning to possibly listing it on the MLS ourselves. And we made all the selections for our flooring, for our shower, and we made a good shot with our vanities as well. And we gave Jose his marching orders for every decision that he needs so we don't slow him down again. In a few weeks, you can expect this guy to have this house wrapped up, right?
2 weeks.
Wow. You want to make a bet?
No.
I'll tell you
2
what,
weeks.
if you get this job done in 2 weeks, we'll give you an extra $1,000. And it's not gonna, if you don't, then it's no big deal. But if you do, and that's out of my end, okay? An extra $1,000 if you get it done in 2 weeks. Subscribe to the channel, stay tuned. We're flipping in Houston. Peace.